This is needlepointers.com, and today I will show you how to do the beaded single crochet, or sometimes it's referred to as the single crochet with a bead. There are two ways to add beads, and I will show you both. Here is an example of what we're going to be doing. Of course, the first thing you need to do is to string the beads onto the yarn. Please string as many as your project calls for. Plus, it would be advisable to put a few extra on there. Now, when you're adding the beads are added from the wrong side of the project. The first way to add them is to insert your hook as if you're making a single crochet. You now have two loops on the hook. Move your bead up close to the hook, yarn over, and pull it through the two loops. You see now the bead's on the other side. Let me do another one for you so you can see how to do that again. Okay. You start your single crochet, move a bead close to the crochet hook, yarn over, and there you have it. So now you see the beads are added on the other side. Now the second way of doing it is very similar to this, and I'll just crochet a couple. Okay. Instead of starting the single crochet, you just move the bead up to the hook, and now do your single crochet. And again, you add them from the reverse side. I'll do that one again. Move it up. Oops. Okay, and make your single crochet. So there you see, they're added. Now when you move the bead up to the hook, make it fairly close to the hook because you don't want it to have a long, be loose when you're doing it. I hope that you found this beaded single crochet tutorial helpful. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter by clicking the link in the description below. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for more crocheting tutorials and free projects.